Hello, everybody. I'm Ilga.
Hello, cunt.
Yeah, we're doing fucking Urban Dictionary, because what's better than that?
Ready for it?
What?
Ready for it?
Yeah, let's go, bitch.
Shall we introduce them to the word dickle?
Yes. They need to know.
Alright.
They need to know about the dickle.
Let the ritual begin.
The ritual. You have all.
Oh, look what we got here.
Yep. This is.
First word of the day.
It's the word of the day, cunts.
You're in for a surprise.
Oh my god, every time we make a video, we have to do a word of the day. So we just have some random ass fucking word on Urban Dictionary, and we'll go like, that's the word of the day!
Yeah.
Well, that's the word of the day for you. When your dick is in a pickle.
When your dick is in a pickle. Coffee was balls deep in Jade when her boyfriend came home. Definitely in a dickhole.
It was definitely in a tickle. Oh my god, what word now?
Oh!
I'm gonna show him Tide Pods. We already know what it is, but I'm gonna show him Tide Pods. Tide Pod, a delicious snack, perfect for any occasion. Girl. Hey, did you hear Sam's having a party? Gay. I'm not going. But he's got Tide Pods and got the keys. Hashtag delicious. No one puts fucking 2 hashtags. Like, how stupid are you?
I wonder what happens when I type.
A reference to the bleach detergent Tide Pods, a liquid / drinkable form of bleach. Everybody wanted some Tide Pods. A Tide Pod, a tasty snack. I'm hungry for a Tide Pod.
Oh my god. Number 5, forbidden fruit if eaten will get you seriously high and give you AIDS. These Tide Pods are real good, but the AIDS. Is that a unicorn? By Miss Wigglebottom.
Miss Wigglebottom. I should make a fucking Urban Dictionary account. We should make an Urban Dictionary.
Oh, number 7. A well-known snack made by the meme lord and is still eaten today. Most people eat Tide Pods as a snack or for dessert. If you do prefer a healthier snack, then have some Clorox Tide Pods. Hey man, want some Tide Pods? Nah man, I need something healthier. I got some Clorox. I want some of that.
Yes.
Oh, there's a second page.
1 second, it's too bright in here. I gotta curl up in a blanket, sit in my computer chair, and shut all the lights off. 1 minute.
Tide Pod. Oh,
Gotta
number 9.
turn the lights
Tide
off.
Pod.
Gotta go fast.
Gotta blast.
Gotta blast! Okay. There. Darkness. It's my only friend. Oh, I'm cold. I got some Clorox. I want some of that. Tide Pod. It's a forbidden fruit that is very delicious. It gives you all your vitamins and nutrition. There are many different flavors too. Contrary to popular belief, it will not kill you. It's just another healthy snack. This Tide Pod.
Number 9. Kid, I eat Tide Pods on a daily basis. Mom, I should have used that abortion coupon.
Number 10. A laundry detergent. People eat it for challenges.
I love the dictionary book. Fuck off.
Sometimes fatal. People are dumb like that.
What is this? Oh my god, it's Guy Fieri.
Guy Fieri? Where?
It's Guy Fieri eating a Tide Pod.
Oh my god! He's not actually eating a Tide Pod, is he?
But it's beautiful. No, it's not.
Oh my god, I actually thought the first one was him eating a Tide Pod.
It's Guy Fieri.
I actually thought he was eating a Tide Pod.
It's your dad.
Tide Pods, the most yummy forbidden snack out of all the forbidden snacks. Delicious and nutritious. Kid, hey mom, what's for dinner? Mom,
Oh my
we're
God,
having Tide Pods
cares about
tonight.
you.
Wow, I love those Tide Pods. What?
Oh my God, look. Tide Pod, kill yourself. No one cares about you. Eat a Tide Pod.
Tide Pod,
It
clean, it softened. But most important, it put you in a coffin. Hey, that's how you rhyme. That's how you rhyme. Yo ass got raped.
Tide Pods make you oof.
What? Tide Pods make you oof.
Booga, booga, oof.
This has turned into a fucking Tide Pod episode. Yeah. Tide Pod, a delicious snack that is healthy and totally
not deadly. Stick it in butt or mouth, just oh my God.
Nope, gonna not look at that.
Gotta blast.
Gotta blast away from that shit.
Kill me.
Hey
oh
kids,
God,
wanna do some?
Come on, you wanna pop these Tide Pods? They're better than any bra. You gotta try it, dude. Yeah, better than Nanny, bro. You tripping? Yeah, I'm tripping on motherfucking Tide Pods. And you know what?
Fuck off.
Big edition.
People are texting me. I don't care about your stupid sad life, motherfuckers.
A snack. Hey kids, wanna do some Tide Pods?
Yeah, I do. Oh my God, shut the fuck up, Instagram. It's retarded.
Oh my God, look at this beautiful.
I don't want to be your friend. What?
Look at this.
Yeah, what?
Look at it.
A tasty snack that helps with your problem. Commonly found in the cleaning section. I want to die. Anyone got a Tide Pod?
Number 4.
Hey, it's me.
Food or spice used to enhance flavor in foods. Tide Pods clean out your insides. Eat me. Why someone touch a list get.
Oh my God. Do you want to write things about? Do you want to write something about Tide Pods? Do you want to make a thing about Tide Pods? What?
Look at this.
Ah! No, not looking at that.
Nightmare fuel.
What's this do?
Nightmare fuel.
Oh, I'm gonna write it. I'm writing the definition of Tide Pods. Type your definition here. It's the most delicious. I don't know if I'm typing anything right, and I don't care. Delicious fruit ever. They be making you trip balls, bitch. Boom! There we go. Yeet. Yeet. Drunken fuck. Yo. You got any Tide Pods? I should make a carrot. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna make Salty's gonna be a drug dealer. Do you know what I'm gonna do?
Sure.
I'm gonna make her so she sells Tide Pods.
No, Tide Pods come from Tide Gods.
Tide Gods.
Yes.
I think. Yo, you got any Tide Pods?
Nah, man, I got Tide Gods. Don't fuck with me. I got the power of the Tide Gods on my side.
I'm not putting an image of a Tide Pod because I'm too lazy. Oh my God.
Are you reading mine?
What?
Are you reading mine?
No, I'm making mine.
Here's what I put. You can eat them, you can stick them up your daddy's ass, or simply wash your clothes. It doesn't matter.
Mine's better. Hashtag tasty snack. Hashtag snacky. Hashtag you retarded. Yes, Tide Pods. None of these GIFs are fucking loading.
Read mine, Taylor.
Yeah?
Read mine.
One sec. Trying to pick something for my Tide Podness. Where do I put by how it's by me? Dude. I have a lot of fucking emails. Yeah, I did it. I uploaded mine. You chose the same GIF as me.
Look at my tags.
Your nanny's ass grocery store pursuit. Wait. A beautiful snack delivered by the Tide Gods. You can eat them, stick them up your nanny's ass, or simply wash your clothes. It don't matter. You can find them in the cleaning section of your local grocery store, though they might get chased down by one of the employees if you're one of those suspicious 17-year-old fucking edgelords. There you go. I read it. I went to the thing and it's just popped up like whoring. Some random shit popped up, but like whoring. Okay, I'm gonna go back to Tide Pads. A delicious snack for a perfect occasion. Tide Pod, food or spices used to enhance flavor in foods. Tide Pods clean out your insides. The fucking dancing baby. Something you don't want to eat. Mine isn't there yet. Okay, this is the fucking boringest video ever. Bye, lasers, bitches. Tricky!